How you going, guys? It's Mitch here from Brisbane Plumbing and Drainage. We've been called in today. They had an old hot water system that wasn't up to standard. We've come in, put a 250 litre electric storage, run it all up to spec. Happy customer.
Absolutely happy with the job that's being done with Brisbane Plumbing. Having just bought this new house here, like close to the CBD, we found that the water system wasn't adequate and definitely need a new one. Having hooked up my electric hot water system, it's been fantastic. Like, it works phenomenally great, way better than I was anticipating, and it replaces the gas system, which was absolutely outdated. Absolutely happy as well with, from call out to installation was only about 4 days. Fantastic.